So it's raining cats and dogs here in Austin. We're going to download the rhythm of this lightning. Check it out. Check it out. Hit, 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 hit. See? Hit, 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 hit. You time it. You can play any instrument following that rhythm.